Hey everyone, I am back here with another video, and today we have something a little sweet in this package. So let's open it up. So here we have the ESS Dual Sound Simulator, and I'm going to be installing this on my Traxxas TRX-4. You can also add this to other RC cars too. And there's a bunch of different modes, so you can like make horns, turbo sounds, different engine sounds, and everything. So it's pretty sweet. So let's get to installing this. So here's what it looks like in the box. It looks like a couple mounts, a USB port. I guess that's to like make different sounds. You can put it on the speaker. So here's everything out of the box. We have the speaker, different mounts for different cars, a Y splitter, I guess. That I think it goes into your receiver. I mean, not receiver, sorry, ESC. A mini USB port thing. It's changed like the sounds and stuff. A Dean's adapter. I think it's a Dean's. Instructions, some extra hardware, and double-sided sticky tape. Okay, so we got the truck on the stand. Sorry about the noise. I'm charging the 3S battery for it later. Also, the lighting's kind of bad because I only have one light right now, or at least decent light. Hopefully, I'll get some better lighting for later on videos upcoming soon. I'm not sure when though. But so now let's mount the speaker. Okay, so we got the speaker mounted up. It just took a little finagling or whatever just to get it on the mount. I mean the body post mount. But yeah, so now we just need to figure out all the wiring, and it's gonna be a lot harder because I have so much wiring from lights and things too. Okay, so here's the big mess of wires in the receiver box, and it's pretty interesting. So hopefully we can wire everything and get it in there. So we have everything plugged in. The red wire kind of goes down and connects to the ESC down there, but I had to do some different wiring. So mine's a little different because I have a bunch of lights, and then same with here, I had to connect it to this little port that goes to the ESC, I guess, here from this one. So when you connect the Y harness, you want to connect the throttle to right here, and then it's kind of confusing, but then you want to connect part of the other V wire right into the ESC, and then you want to connect the other to the little split wire that comes from the speaker, and you want to leave this yellow one out, so do not use this one. And so now let's see if it works. Okay, so we have everything in its place, put all the wires back, and now it works. So, yeah, sorry for all the confusing instructions. Basically, for this, you literally just have to mess around with all the wires, especially when you have a bunch like me, until you get it. So now I'm going to look through the instructions and see how I can switch the sounds and stuff, so that way I can make it sound better. I am back, and it's a little echoey because I'm in my garage because it's dark outside. So let's see what this thing sounds like. So I got it to the mode I like for right now. I might change it later on, but here it is. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will be coming on this soon, and we won't really have to play music because we can listen to the sweet sound of the engine in this thing. And yeah, so I can also turn this thing up to make it louder too, so it'll sound better in videos. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.